Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you get benefit from this video, please like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want to learn and earn from stock market, then you can follow my channel. If you don't have Demat account, you can create Demat account, link in the description. So, let's start the video. In this video, we talk about the 5 types of trader in option trading. If you are option trader, you are familiar with call option or put option. So those who trade with different style of trading, we discuss in this video. 1. Scalping trader, a trader who trade in short period of time, especially 1 to 5 minutes, and exit time almost same in trading. Mostly trader doing scalping in the morning, that is opening time 9:15. Because of liquidity or volatility in the market. 2. Intraday trading. I'm also a intraday trader. Intraday trader holding their position till 3:15. If trader didn't cut their trade, then he had to pay penalty to broker. 3. Swing trader, a trader who holding their position for a week. 4. BTST. It stands for buy today to sell tomorrow. Trader buy their position today and sell the position tomorrow if they are in profit. It mostly done by option buyers. 5. STBT. It stand for sell to buy to tomorrow. It is mostly similar to BTST, but it mostly done by option seller.